Hey guys, this is just a quick little video, little unboxing, kind of first impressions kind of thing. As you can see, today's unboxing is a G Shock. I had got this off of Watch Gauge. I found out that John was starting to sell G Shocks, and he had some of the models that I had liked, and I ended up purchasing one. So here's the watch unboxing. I kind of already looked at it a little bit. But the watch I got is the G Shock, of course the all metal, the Sqaure model. Retails for $500, which is a pretty good deal for this watch. It's got Bluetooth connectivity, all that kind of stuff. Pretty killer watch. I've had the regular black Sqaure for a while. And what I like about G Shock is they were founded in 1983. And this is kind of like an anniversary edition kind of thing. So, and I was born in 1983, so if that tells you my age too, so I kind of relate to the G Shock. But, yeah, like I said, this is kind of an unboxing, quick little unboxing. This is the model number GMW5000D-1. So far, from what I've seen, I hadn't had it a little long, but from what I've seen, it's actually really well made. And of course, as you know, G Shocks are tough. This is going to be like kind of like an everyday kind of watch for me, like whenever I don't want to muck up any of my nicer pieces. By the way, I'm quick wrist watch check, wearing that Doxa, of course. But this will be like my workout watch, you know, when I want to go running, work out, lifting, whatever, all that stuff. This will be that watch for that. So what I like I said, what I like about this is the Bluetooth connectivity and everything like that with your phone. I got to download the app, and I'll probably do a whole video on that. Look for a full review coming up this guy probably another week or two, once I've had it in hand for a little bit, worn it for a little bit. But what I can say first impressions is this thing is made really, really well. The finishing, the mirror finishing on this is like crazy. But anyways guys, this has just been a quick little unboxing video for the G Shock. This is the all metal version. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, you guys can get these at watchgauge.com. I think he's only got like a limited number right now, and he may only have 2 or 3 more left. I'm not sure how many more left he has, or how many he has left, excuse me. But he also has some more gold ones coming in, and he also has more of these on the way. He said he ordered a whole bunch, but I don't know that G Shock can keep up, or if they're doing limited numbers or whatever. But get in contact with John Keel over at Watch Gauge. He'll let you know everything everything for that. So, alright guys, this has been Chris with a quick little unboxing of the G Shock. This is the Sqaure model, the all metal model. Alright guys, peace.